Welcome to the VivoSense Synchronization and Merge module video. The VivoSense Synchronization and Merge module is the solution to all our sensor integration problems, enabling us to collect data from almost any physiological data sensor, synchronize the data signals, and merge them into a single file. VivoSense is a sensor-agnostic physiological data visualization and analysis software that supports a wide variety of sensor formats. All these sensor data on their own may not be as relevant as when they are integrated. The VivoSense Synchronization and Merge module solves this need, using a streamlined process that allows us to tie disparate data streams together using easily understood visual markers and annotations. VivoSense will further speed up the potentially tedious synchronization step with its automated synchronization algorithms, which can instantly determine with millisecond accuracy the ideal synchronization point. Now let's step into VivoSense and take a tour. The synchronization process is the first step which is required to ensure that data recorded on different sensor hardware are aligned properly for analysis. To begin the synchronization process, make sure the relevant files have been loaded into VivoSense and that their respective session tabs are visible. These two files contain simultaneously captured ECG data. The first sensor also captured respiration and temperature data, while the second sensor captured accelerometer data as well. We view the ECG channels in the Synchronize chart panel and press the Synchronization Layout button on the toolbar. Our Synchronize chart panel will update to show all open sessions, tiled vertically. This layout is used to make the synchronization process easier and faster. These files show two different systems, each with an ECG sensor. By comparing the ECG channels, we can clearly see the identical heartbeats, and then use our point synchronization to align the data. We use the point synchronization button on the toolbar and then choose a concurrent point on each graph. VivoSense will be able to shift the recordings so that they are perfectly aligned. We use the Session Access Lock button to review our results and check how well our data are synchronized. Using the Session Access Lock will show the same timeline for all our open sessions, as seen here. Let's unlock our session axes and start a new synchronization. Annotation synchronization is the second option for synchronizing our data. It is useful when annotations or events are present as guides for alignment. The Annotation synchronization button will allow us to select the annotations from each recording to complete the synchronization and alignment. Now let's use our Session Access Lock to review our synchronization again. Let's unlock our session axes and show the last synchronization method. Perhaps the most useful type of synchronization in VivoSense is called intelligent synchronization. With this technique, VivoSense automatically scans through pairs of channels in order to find the optimal synchronization point. The Intelligent Synchronization toolbar button allows us to select a region on each of the channels to be used for synchronization, or select the entire session as we do in this example. VivoSense will search through each data stream, find the best time shift for each session, and then present the results of the synchronization. More than two files can be synchronized together at once, which can be a substantial time saver for large studies. The accuracy of the intelligent synchronization is presented once the process is complete. Intelligent synchronization will often result in much more accurate synchronization results than the manual method. An annotation will be displayed in the Annotation Manager to highlight the synchronization time point on all synchronized sessions once it is complete. Synchronization preferences can be found by clicking on the Tools menu item, then selecting Preferences, and opening the Synchronization and Merge tab. We can modify the intelligent sync accuracy if desired. Choosing a higher accuracy setting may increase the time needed to perform an intelligent synchronization. Once our sessions are synchronized, we can take the next step and merge our separate data sessions into one complete session with all the desired data. The Merge feature allows us to merge channels from multiple sensor devices that were recorded simultaneously into one VSN file. For example, if one sensor recorded ECG and dual-band respiratory plethysmography, while another sensor recorded heart rate, pulse oximetry, and accelerometer data, we can merge all these channels into one file and synchronize off the recorded or measured heart rate in each. We now go back to our sync channels and use our Merge toolbar button to merge our synchronized files. The Merge dialog operates similarly to the Import dialog discussed in our Getting Started with VivoSense video, but it is used to merge the open and synchronized session files into one common VSN file. We select the channels we want to include in the merged file. The same channel name will be used in the newly created file. If the same channels exist in two different files, then we need to make a decision about how best to configure the merge. If the files to be merged together contain more than the allowed number of channels for a particular sensor type, then we must select a subset of the available channels for inclusion. The channel selected can be from the same file or both files. In our example, we can pick the ECG from the first file and the ECG from the second file to have two ECG channels. Although the number of channels supported for each data type is limited, VivoSense allows the specification of up to 8 generic channels, which can be used for any type of data. Now let's save a merge configuration and press OK. In addition to the data in the selected channels, annotations will also be merged. If both files contain the same annotation, only one copy will be kept. Let's review our merged file here. We have now successfully synchronized and merged data from two distinct sensor types, and with this, our analysis can be more complete. Thanks for watching the VivoSense Synchronization and Merge module video. Please contact us to find out more about VivoSense and other VivoNoetics products and services, and watch the Getting Started with VivoSense video to learn more about the VivoSense tools and user interface. The VivoNoetics team provides contract development services to build requested custom functionality into the VivoSense software. Please contact us with any of your development project requests. We enjoy hearing your questions or comments, and we look forward to talking with you.